In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows cannot initialize the device driver for this hardware, code 37. Now the way that we can do this is first you want to come here and search for Device Manager. In here find Universal Serial Bus Controller. Now in here, if you have something called a USB hub update, what you want to do, only if you have the USB generic hub update, so as you can see I don't have it, but if you have the USB generic hub, what you want to do is we want to update that one. So you want to look for anything that says USB generic hub, not root hub. When you find that one, you want to right click on it and update the driver. Now as you can see I don't have it in here, but if you have it, you want to right click, update driver, and come in here. So do this, and then once you've done that, you're going to go to the next one. If you don't have this option, you're just going to go to the next step. What the next step is, we want to come here and search for CMD. Right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type in this command msdt.exe space /id space device diagnostic with capital D's. Press enter and this should open up this one. From in here you're going to press next and it's going to detect problems and just wait for a few seconds. And once this is done for a few seconds, there should be an enable and disable button. If you get those, you want to press the enable one and it's gonna scan the rest. Now if it doesn't give you enable or disable, you can just do nothing. So if this one pops up, you just want to apply this fix and then it's gonna finish all of the updates. So you can just close that down after you've done that. And then the last step is you want to come here again to Device Manager, go here, find the one that you're having trouble with. So let's just say it's this one or this one. What you would do is you would right click on it, uninstall device, and then you would restart your PC and then open this one back again, come up to action and scan for hardware changes. After that it should be installed again and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.